Welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to create the groups. Before creating the groups, let's discuss what is a group. A group is a list of users or servers who have something in common. For example, a group can have the name of the department and contain all the department members, for example HR, a finance, or for example a location or something like that. So what are the benefits of using a groups? Groups enable using a single word, the group name, to represent multiple users and or servers. Use group names for mailing list and administrative functions to simplify the listing of users or servers. Adding a user to a group dynamically controls the user access to resources that specify the group name. So this is the benefits of creating the group. Apart from groups, we have one more group called nested groups. A group maintenance is made easier by including groups within other groups, that is called nesting one inside the other. For example, the group member of group named marketing could be a group name of the regional marketing divisions. So you adding a group inside in another group is called nesting group. Those things are called nested groups. What is the benefits of nested groups? Determining the members by adding only a few entries, that is nested group names. Distributing administration of regional groups while central administrators control large groups by nesting. Bypassing the size limitation of 15K of text in the member field of the group document. So these are the advantage of creating a nested groups. We have different types of groups when you select the group types. So let's see that how do we create the groups. Go to peoples and groups tab, select the groups, click on add group. This is your add group window where you create the groups here. So I'm creating a group here, the group name, for example marketing. Okay, as we discussed in the previous classes, we have a different types of groups are there: multi-purpose, access control list, mail only, server only, and deny list only. So what is these types of the groups? Multi-purpose group, we can use this type of group for multi-purpose. For example, mailing purpose or access control list or server purpose or anything. So this is a multi-purpose. If I create this group, I can use this group for all the places. If I select access control list only, this group you can use only in a database ACL. So this is the access control list purpose. The mail only group, I can use this group only for distributing a mails. Server only groups, I can add only servers into this group. Deny list only, this is a one group type. Deny list only is a server access control and cannot be used for other purpose. Enter a deny list only group in the nodes access server field of the server document to deny the member access to the server. For example, create a deny list only group and enter names of people who left the organization. A conventional choice for such a group name is terminations. The deny list only group type has a special characteristic. When the administrator process is used to delete instances of username throughout this domino directory, this process does not delete the names from the deny list only groups. Therefore, members of deny list only groups remain listed permanently. So this is the purpose of deny list only. So I am selecting here, for example, mail only, and this is your members field. We talked about in a nesting groups. So if we have too many members, the member field size is only 15K. So it will be cross more than 15K, you cannot create the groups. So that's those kind of situation we'll create a nested groups. You can add the members by selecting here. This is how you add the people. If you have a more people, if the field size is increasing more than 15K, then you can add another group that is called nested group. You can add this group name into that group. So this is how you create the groups. Click on save and close. You can see here I have a group called marketing. If you see the group types here, this is a server only, this is a local domain, other domains. So this is a groups, is a people groups will be there. This is a mailing list. You can see the icon of mailing. So this is how you create the groups in a Domino directory. Thank you.